Welcome to the factory journey.
Fresh intake starts the journey. Safety begins immediately. Transfer into prep line. Alignment ensures precision. Scanning for perfect placement. Portions emerge uniform. High-pressure rinse begins. Sections move to cleaning.
Clean cuts ready next.
Clean prep ensures purity.
Every detail checked carefully.
Delicate wiping for safety.
Perfect drying before cutting.
Final hygiene layer applied.
Alignment ready for precision.
Perfect precision cut begins.
Micro trimming enhances finish.
Workers confirm flawless cuts.
Cuts look good on this line. Flawless separation confirmed.
Seasoning phase begins now.
Even coating enhances flavor. Laser checks texture quality. Dry layer coats smoothly.
Seasoning attaches to micro moisture droplets on the chicken surface, forming a uniform base layer. Fine particles sparkle under industrial lighting.
Formed perfectly for cooking.
Breading line starts right here.
Full flour coverage achieved.
Workers ensure uniform coating.
Batter prepares crispy layer. Crunch layer forms beautifully.
Crispy layer looks perfect. Pressure fryers ready now.
Oil fully surrounds chicken.
Even heat cooks perfectly.
Pressure locks moisture in.
Golden crispness achieved beautifully.
Crispy outside, soft inside.
Fried batches move forward.
Sorting stage begins now.
Precision weight sorting working. Workers ensure smooth flow.
Boxes fill with precision.
Final meals take shape. Safety scan happens here.
Seal quality conformed now.
Cooling ensures stability here. Outfeed moves product ahead. Fresh meals head nationwide. Modern perfection delivered daily.